I'm gonna do a newer song here. This is one of the most recent ones I've written. Haven't recorded it yet. Thought I'd try it out here. Well, I watch you waiting for things to fall into place. And you snare at your screen and slowly buckle under the weight. Whatever happened to going down swinging, going down in a blaze? I know you've had your troubles, and these ain't the glory days. But you know, if it ain't meant to last, you gotta let it pass. Standing on stage and he remembers the path that it took. And the lights going down and he takes one last look. Whatever happened to living forever? Rock and roll never died. And I know he's had his troubles, the days are slipping by. And he knows if it ain't meant to last, you gotta let it pass. Whatever happened to going down swinging, going down in a blaze? And I know I've had my troubles, and these ain't the glory days. Whatever happened to living forever? I thought I'd never die. And I know I've had my troubles, but those days are far behind. And I know if it ain't meant to last, oh, I know if it ain't meant to last. Oh, I know if it ain't meant to last, you gotta let it pass. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, we're gonna let Chad do one more and Aubrey do one more, and then we're gonna